Ito yung panahon nung nagalit si PRRD kasi tinatakot siya ng Amerika.
And every time they said, we will cut our assistance. Sabi ko sa kanila, putang ina ninyo, wag mo kaming gawing aso. Do not, sabihin mo na, as if I am a dog with a leash, tapos magtapon ka ng pan doon sa malayo, hindi ko maabot. Sabi ko, look at Section 7, Article, it states it very clearly, I urge every one of you that the Philippines shall follow an independent foreign policy and putting at most of the time the best interest of the nation. Sinunod ko lang yun. I do not want to say any military man of any other nation except the Philippine soldier. Yan lang ang gusto ko. That's the long and short of it. I want an independent policy that ako pasunod-sunod ba si kanino. Sabi ko ito mga Amerikano, buang talaga. Yung style, kita nga maglakad dito, kala mo sino. Wala pang mga visa itong mga gagong to. Tayo magpunta doon, pahirapan pa. At may sabi pa raw, galit ako kasi hindi ako binigyan ng visa. I'll tell you my answer. First time I went to America, ito ang question ng consul. Why are you going to America? I said, to visit a girlfriend. Yeah, yes. Tapos sabi niya, what if you decide to marry the girlfriend and you do not go back here to the Philippines? Mr. Consul, even if you grant me a multiple lifetime visa, and even if you give me $50,000, I will not go there anymore. I'll stay here in the Philippines. Hindi ako hangol ng bayan na baski ako kahirap natin. Hindi, magtiis tayo. Do not dangle me about America. What is that? Nagkagulo-gulo na nga kayo doon eh. It's pure bigotry and discrimination doon. Pagtanong ka na napunta, kasi bayan nila. Before we can move forward, Mr. America, there are things, so many things. The massacre of the Filipinos before. These are historical hurts that would never go away. Depende na lang kung makapresidente ang Pilipinas na tota ninyo. If you count me out, I am not one of you. I am not also a tota of any country. Mind you, only ang pwede lang magtuta sa akin ang Pilipino. Period. Walang iba.
This leader answers to no one but for his people. His loyalty lies solely with the dreams and future of his nation, proving that true leadership is not about power over others, but about unwavering dedication to the freedom and prosperity of one's own.